Which of the following commercial providers is unique in offering open-source products? Red Hat. Most companies sell proprietary software, but Red Hat is different. It focuses on open-source products like Red Hat Enterprise Linux, built from the Fedora project. Red Hat makes money by offering support, security updates, and enterprise services, not by selling closed-source software. What is the concept of combining resources from various physical servers into one pool that can then be used as needed for virtual servers called? Resource pooling. Resource pooling is a cloud computing concept where computing resources such as CPU, memory, and storage from multiple physical servers are combined into a shared pool. These resources can then be dynamically assigned to virtual machines or services as needed. This allows for greater flexibility, scalability, and efficiency in managing IT infrastructure. One benefit of virtualization is the ability to rapidly add or remove server resources based on demand. What term describes this capability? Rapid elasticity. Rapid elasticity is a key feature of virtualization and cloud computing. It means resources like CPU, memory, or storage can be quickly scaled up or down, depending on workload demands. When traffic increases, more resources are automatically added. When demand drops, those resources are released. This helps save costs, improve performance, and ensure systems run efficiently at all times. Which method is used to separate the logical desktop from the physical machine? Desktop virtualization. Desktop virtualization is the method used to separate a user's logical desktop environment. Like the operating system, applications, and settings, from the physical hardware it's running on. With desktop virtualization, the desktop runs on a virtual machine, often hosted on a server, and users access it remotely. This allows for centralized management, better security, and access from different devices. In cloud computing, what is the practice of grouping computing resources and making them available for shared access by multiple consumers called? Resource pooling. Resource pooling is a core concept in cloud computing, where the provider's computing resources, like storage, processing, memory, and network bandwidth, are grouped together to serve multiple customers. These resources are dynamically assigned and reassigned based on demand, using a multi-tenant model. This allows efficient use of infrastructure and helps deliver scalability and flexibility to users. Which of the following cloud computing models facilitates the automated deployment of servers? IaaS. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service. It provides virtualized computing resources over the Internet, including servers, storage, and networking. With IaaS, users can automatically deploy, manage, and scale virtual servers without needing to invest in physical hardware. This model gives IT teams full control over the operating system and applications, making it ideal for automated server deployment and testing environments. Which cloud computing model places the full responsibility for operating system and application maintenance on the customer? Public IaaS. In a public IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service model, the cloud provider offers the basic infrastructure, such as virtual machines, storage, and networking, while the customer is fully responsible for installing, configuring, and maintaining the operating system, applications, and security. This gives maximum flexibility, but also requires the customer to handle all system administration tasks. An engineer wants to configure a virtual machine that only allows outbound connections. Which networking mode should the engineer use for the virtual machine? NAT mode. NAT, Network Address Translation, is a networking setup that enables a virtual machine to connect to external networks, such as the Internet, while blocking incoming connections from external sources. This configuration allows the VM to initiate outbound communication while remaining isolated, preventing unauthorized inbound access, making it suitable for the engineer's needs. A person is trying to run Hyper-V on their machine, but it is not working. Which of the following should you verify? Virtualization support. Hyper-V requires a processor with virtualization technology, specifically second-level address translation. Without SLAT support, the processor will not be able to install or run Hyper-V correctly. Hyper-V requires hardware virtualization, Intel VTX or AMD V, and it must be enabled in BIOS, UEFI. If it's turned off, Hyper-V won't run, even if your system is powerful. To fix it, restart. Enter BIOS/UEFI. Enable virtualization technology. Save and reboot. A company requires the ability to control, optimize, and report on user network storage automatically. Which cloud concept can achieve this? Measured service. Measured service is a core cloud computing concept that enables automatic tracking and reporting of resource usage, such as storage, bandwidth, or CPU. It allows the provider and the customer to monitor usage, control costs, and optimize performance. This is ideal for businesses that need detailed reporting and automated control over storage and other resources.